I'm gonna show you how to dispute credit report errors that are hurting your credit score, so that you can raise your credit score by 100 points or more. Hey there, I'm from a credit repair company, and I've helped well over 700,000 people raise their credit scores by an average of 100 points or more. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it yourself. Now, if you have any negative items on your credit reports, like charge-offs, late payments, collections, foreclosures, bankruptcies, liens, or anything like that, and those items are hurting your credit score and keeping you from getting the best rates and terms possible on your credit cards, your loan, your mortgage, then this video is for you, because I'm going to show you exactly what to do, how to do it, and why it works. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, so that you do want to make any mistakes and get your dispute rejected. Because when you dispute your negative items successfully, it not only raises your credit score, but it also saves you thousands of dollars in interest and gets you better rates and terms on your credit cards, your loans, your mortgages. It's definitely worth the time to learn how to do it properly. So let's get started. All right. Now, before we jump into this, I want to ask you a question. How would you feel about raising your credit score by 100 points or more? If you said that sounds pretty good, then you want to pay close attention to what I'm about to share with you, because I'm gonna show you how to make that happen. Now, there are 3 major credit bureaus that you need to know about. There's Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Each one of these credit bureaus maintains your credit reports, and they generate your credit scores. And most creditors use at least one of these credit reports and credit scores to qualify you for credit. And if you have any negative items on your credit reports, like charge-offs, late payments, collections, foreclosures, bankruptcies, liens, or anything like that, those negative items are going to hurt your credit score and keep you from getting the best rates and terms possible. So that's where credit repair comes in. Now, credit repair simply means that you redisputing inaccurate and/or unverifiable negative items on your credit reports. And it's super simple to do. All you have to do is write a letter, send it off to the credit bureaus and the creditors. And when the negative items are removed, your credit score goes up and you get better rates and terms on your credit cards, your loan, your mortgage. So it's definitely worth your time to learn how to do this correctly. So first, let me explain how your credit score is calculated. Your credit score is calculated using the FICO scoring system. And this scoring system looks at several factors when determining your credit worthiness. These factors include your payment history, which makes up 35% of your credit score, how much debt you have compared to the amount of available credit, which makes up 30% of your credit score, the length of your credit history, which makes up 15% of your credit score, the number of credit inquiries that you have, which makes up 10% of your credit score, and the types of credit that you have, which makes up 10% of your credit score. So as you can see, removing negative items like charge-offs, late payments, collections, etc., is going to have a big impact on your credit score. And there are 2 main reasons why you want to remove these negative items. First, most credit card companies, banks, and lenders don't just look at your credit score. They actually review your entire credit report for negative items before approving you for credit. This means that even if your credit score is good or excellent, if you have any negative items on your credit reports, you may still be denied for the best cards and loans. Second, even if you're approved for a card or loan with a low interest rate, that negative information can increase your interest rate or decrease the amount that you're approved for. So having a clean slate with no negative items is ideal. Now, the great thing about removing negative items is that it not only raises your credit score, it also helps you to qualify for better rates and terms. When you apply for credit, it allows you to get approved for more money at lower interest rates, which can save you thousands of dollars in interest expense over the life of the loan. Now let's jump into my computer and I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do, how to do it, and why it works. Alright, so right now I'm logged into my account and I am gonna show you how to get your free annual credit reports. But before we go any further, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever signed up for a free credit monitoring service where they pull your credit reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and then they alert you if something changes, or there's a new account opened in your name? If you said yes, I recommend that you sign up for a new account with each one of these credit bureaus. Let me show you how. With Equifax, you'll want to visit their website and click on the Personal tab. Then go to the Secure My Credit section and click on the Get Started button. Then you can select the Security Frozen and Monitoring option and choose a plan that fits your needs. For Experian, you'll want to visit their website and click on the Credit Monitoring tab. From there, you can select the plan that fits your needs. And with TransUnion, you'll want to visit their website and click on the Fraud and Monitoring tab. Then select a plan that fits your needs. I recommend that you do this because these plans are usually free for the first month and then they very affordable after that. And it will help you stay on top of your credit reports and make sure that everything is accurate and up to date. Alright, so right now I am logged into my account and I am gone. Now, show you where to get your free annual credit reports. But before we go any further, I want to remind you that if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button below, because it really helps us out. And while you're at it, you might as well subscribe because we post new videos every week that will help you become financially free. Okay, so with that said, let's get back to work. Alright, so right here, you'll see that I'm logged into my account. You'll want to click on the Credit Reports tab, and then right here. You'll see your credit reports from all 3 major credit bureaus. You can download them for free. And you'll want to do this because if there are any errors on your credit reports, you'll want to dispute those errors with the credit bureaus. And in order to do that, you'll need to request a copy of your credit reports. Also, you'll want to request copies of your credit reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and send them to the address that's provided. I'll explain why in a minute. Alright, so once you have your credit reports in hand, you'll want to thoroughly review them for any negative items. Now, a negative item is any item that has a negative impact on your credit score. This includes things like charge-offs, late payments, collections, foreclosures, bankruptcies, liens, inquiries, etc. So take your time and make sure that you're looking at all of your credit reports. If you find any negative items, you'll want to start disputing them with the credit bureaus. And in order to do that, you'll need to fill out a credit report dispute form. You can get these forms on the websites of Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Just search for Credit Report Dispute Form and you should be able to find them right away. Once you have the forms, you'll need to fill out some basic information such as your name, address, and contact information. You'll also need to provide the account number or numbers that are associated with the negative item that you're disputing. Alright, so once you've filled out the dispute form, you'll need to send it along with a copy of your credit reports to the credit bureau. Now you can do this by mail or by fax. Be sure to keep a copy of everything for your records. Now, when sending your dispute letters by mail, I recommend that you use certified mail with return receipt requested. This way, you'll have proof that the credit bureaus received your dispute letters. You can track the status of your dispute letters by using the tracking number that's provided. Also, I recommend that you keep copies of everything for your records. Alright, so now that you've sent your dispute letters to the credit bureaus, you'll need to wait for them to investigate. The credit bureaus are required by law to investigate your disputes and respond to you within 30 days. However, in many cases, they will resolve your disputes much sooner than that. In fact, many of my clients have had their disputes resolved within a few days of sending their letters. Now, during the investigation process, the credit bureaus will contact the creditor to verify the accuracy of the negative item. If the creditor is unable to provide documentation to support the negative item, then it will be removed from your credit reports. And when this happens, your credit score will go up. Now, if you have any questions about credit repair, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Alright. Now I want to share with you a valuable resource that I think you'll find helpful. Now, if you'd like to learn more about credit repair, or if you want to take our online course, I'll put links to those resources in the description below. Alright, so before we go, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button below and consider sharing it with a friend. Also, if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss out on any of our helpful content. And finally, be sure to connect with us on social media to get daily tips and motivation on your journey to financial freedom. All right, now I want you to take a few seconds to give us a quick review. If you've watched this far, I know that you're serious about improving your finances, and we want to help you do that. We've helped well over 700,000 people raise their credit scores by an average of 100 points or more. And we can help you too. Just click on the link below to schedule a call with a credit expert, and we'll take it from there. Don't wait another minute. Take action today and start building the life that you want. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.